this video, I will show you how to work stocking stitch. Stocking stitch is the most popular knitted fabric and it is used in all sorts of projects. This fabric is made up of alternate rows of knit and purl stitches. It is a smooth fabric that provides a good background for embellishments as well as looking good in its own right. For this sample, I'll be using 5mm knitting needles and an Aran weight yarn. As we come to the end of our knit row, we will then turn our work and start a purl row. So you'll work one knit row, one purl row, and this will form your stocking stitch. So this is what your stocking stitch will look like. You have your knit stitches on the front, which look like little V's, and your purl stitch on the back, which look like little bumps.